Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to delete history on Chrome browser in Android. Friends, if due to some reason if you want to clear your browser history, then first you need to open your Chrome browser. Now here press on these three dots on the right side corner of the screen. Now here you need to press on history. Now here you will find all the details of websites you have visited in the past. Now to clear all your browsing history, you need to press on clear browsing data. Now here browsing history, cache and cookies are selected by default. Now if you want to delete saved password and autofill data, then you need to select it manually and press on clear. Now here press on clear browsing data. Now friends, as you can see, my all browsing history on Google Chrome browser is deleted now. So friends, like this you can very easily clear your browsing history on Google Chrome browser. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.